Hi students, this is Alan Sir, and once again I am present here with some new subtopics of environmental study. You know that the chapter number 5 is going on, and now once again through this video we will discuss about some subtopics of same chapter, chapter number 5. And the title of this chapter is what? The title of this chapter is I Celebrate. I Celebrate. Okay. So let us start this class. In previous video, I taught that there are different types of festivals celebrated in our country. So in previous video already we have discussed about the different types of festivals. So if you have remembered, so what is that the name of that of all festivals are? What I said? I said that there are three types of festivals celebrated in our country. First, religious festivals. Second, harvest festivals. And third, what? Number three, national festival. So through this video, we will discuss about this all different types of festivals. So let us start. First, different types of festivals. Different types of festival. Okay. So first is religious festival. Religious, RELIGIOUS, religious festivals. Religious festivals. So tell me, what is religious festival? Tell me, you know, what do you mean by religious festivals? Okay. So I am going to write the definition of these religious festivals. In Hindi, religious means धार्मिक, festivals means पर्व या त्योहार. धार्मिक पर्व या त्योहार किसे कहते हैं? So we will write a definition of these religious festivals like this. Festivals that celebrated by the people of different religions. RELIGIONS, religions. Okay, are religions are called religious festivals. Religious festivals. This is the definition. I have written festivals that celebrated by the people of different religions are called religious festivals. मतलब वैसा फेस्टिवल्स जो अलग अलग रिलीजियंस के लोगों के द्वारा मनाया जाता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल some examples of religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Eid, Guru Parv, and Christmas. Christmas. Okay, Christmas. So these are some examples of religious festivals. Festivals that celebrated by the people of different religions. अलग अलग धर्म के लोग अलग अलग तरह का फेस्टिवल्स मनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल दिवाली एंड होली. होली, दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेटेड बाय हिंदू. ईद, मुहर्रम सेलिब्रेटेड बाय मुस्लिम. गुरु पर्व, गुरु नानक जयंती, गुरु गोविंद सिंह जयंती सेलिब्रेटेड बाय सिख. एंड क्रिसमस एंड ईस्टर इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय क्रिश्चियंस. सो अलग अलग धर्म के लोग अलग तरह का त्योहार मनाते हैं. दिवाली और होली. दिवाली, दुर्गा पूजा हिंदुओं के द्वारा मनाया जाता है. ईद, मुहर्रम, बकरीद वगैरह मुस्लिम्स के द्वारा मनाए जाते हैं. गुरु पर्व, गुरु नानक जयंती, गुरु गोविंद सिंह जयंती, ये सारा जो है सिख लोगों के द्वारा मनाया जाता है. क्रिसमस जो है वो क्रिश्चियंस के द्वारा मनाया जाता है. सो दीज आर डेफिनेशन एंड एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स. आफ्टर रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल, second types of festival is harvest festival. Harvest festival. What is this? What is the meaning of harvest? Harvest means होता है इन हिंदी फसल कटाई का समय. जो लोग फार्मिंग प्रैक्टिस में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, जो खेती बाड़ी करते हैं, तो वो जो फसलों को लगाते हैं, फसलों को लगाने के बाद जब फसल मैच्योर होता है, पक जाते हैं फसल, तो उसे काटने का समय आता है. तो फसल की कटाई के समय जब जो फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है, फसलों को काटने के समय जो फसल कटाई के समय जो फेस्टिवल्स मनाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, हार्वेस्ट मीन्स फसल कटाई, फसलों को काटने का समय. तो क्या लिखेंगे फेस्टिवल्स दैट celebrated festivals that celebrate at the time of harvest. At the time of harvest. Festivals that celebrate at the time of harvest are called harvest festival. Harvest festival. Harvest festivals. Okay. Festivals that celebrate at the time of harvest are called harvest festivals. जो फेस्टिवल्स फसल कटाई के समय, हार्वेस्ट मीन्स फसल कटाई फसलों के काटने के समय मनाया जाता है. नए फसल के खुशी में, नए फसलों के खुशी में मनाया जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स. बिकॉज इन दिस डे farmer selling their crops means fasal, CROPS, crop means fasal, crop means CROP, crop means fasal. जो हम लोग धान गेहूं वगैरह उगाते हैं, that is called the crops. So at the time of harvest festivals, farmers selling their crops to earn money. फार्मर जो अपने वो जो फसल कटाई के बाद वो कुछ किसान जो है फसलों को बेचते हैं, उससे पैसा आता है, तो वो लोग खुशी मनाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. क्योंकि वी नो दैट फेस्टिवल, व्हाट इज फेस्टिवल इज ए स्पेशल डे व्हेन वी डू एंजॉय. जब हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं स्पेशल डे में, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फेस्टिवल. सो फार्मर विल आल्सो एंजॉय दिस एट द टाइम ऑफ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल बिकॉज farmers selling their crop to earn money. Okay, so some examples. Now I am going to write some examples of harvest festivals. Examples of harvest festivals are Pongal, Onam, Bihu and Baisakhi. Pongal, Onam, Bihu and Baisakhi. These all are some examples of harvest festivals which celebrate at the time of harvest especially by the farmers. Okay. So after this, after harvest festivals, the next types of festivals is national festival. Number 3, national festival. What is national festivals? In Hindi राष्ट्रीय त्योहार. National means राष्ट्रीय, festivals means त्योहार. राष्ट्रीय त्योहार क्या है? What is national festivals? So I am going to write the definition of national festival. Festivals that celebrate festivals that celebrate or celebrated festivals that celebrated by all over the country by all over the country. Festivals that celebrated by celebrate, not celebrate. CELEBRATE, celebrate. Okay. Festivals that celebrate by all over the country together are called national festivals. National festival. Festivals that celebrate by all over the country together are called national festivals. मतलब वैसा festivals जो हमारे देश में सभी लोग एक साथ मनाते हैं, एक ही समय में मनाते हैं, पूरे देश के द्वारा एक साथ जब मनाया जाता है, जो फेस्टिवल, दैट इज कॉल्ड द नेशनल फेस्टिवल. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑफ सम नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स आर Independence Day, Second Republic Day, and third one Gandhi Jayanti. So these three are examples of national festivals that celebrate by all over the country together are called national festival. For example, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. So students, in this video we have discussed about different types of festivals and definition of different types of festivals. We have learned about definition of different types of festivals and some examples of different types of festivals. Now, in next video, we will discuss about or we will explain about some different examples of different types of festivals.